Ever wondered how finance websites estimate how much you need to retire comfortably? Here's how. NerdWallet does it with the help of an interactive retirement calculator. Instead of asking visitors to read through lengthy retirement planning guides, the calculator asks a few simple questions like, what's your current age annual pre-tax income? Current retirement savings, monthly contributions, monthly budget in retirement, and more. Based on the information provided, it instantly calculates your estimated retirement savings and projected income. This creates a personalized, interactive experience that helps users understand their financial future while encouraging them to take the next step. Now, let's break down how you can recreate a similar retirement savings calculator using Outgrow. Start by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and clicking Calculator. Next, browse the template library and select the Retirement Savings Calculator template, or simply start from scratch for complete customization. Once inside the builder, you can see questions such as, what is your current age? At what age do you plan to retire? What is your current annual income? What percentage of your current income do you save annually for retirement? What is your current retirement savings balance? And more. You can easily customize these questions. Now let's move to the results section. This is where the magic happens. Based on each user's inputs, you can display personalized results like pension you can have, estimated retirement savings at retirement, total retirement needs savings gap. You can also add a CTA button like talk to a financial advisor or explore investment options, directing users to your website or booking page. Next comes lead generation. You can add a lead form with the results asking for the user's name and email. This helps you capture high-intent leads while providing valuable financial insights. To ensure the calculator matches your brand identity, head over to the Overall Design tab. Here you can customize your logo, colors, fonts, and layout to create a seamless branded experience. Once everything is ready, click Go Live. You can then share your calculator with a direct link, embed it on your website, add it to landing pages, or promote it through social media, email campaigns, and paid ads. And just like that, you've created an interactive retirement savings calculator inspired by NerdWallet using Outgrow. That's how easy it is to turn a complex financial calculation into an engaging, lead-generating experience that helps users plan for their future. Want to build your own retirement calculator, financial planner, or investment calculator? Start your 7-day free trial with Outgrow and create interactive calculators that engage your audience, generate qualified leads, and boost conversions. No coding required.